Welcome back to the channel. The Toyota HiAce has recently undergone major safety updates, bringing it back to ANCAP crash testing under the latest and most stringent 2025 protocols. These upgrades highlight Toyota's proactive commitment to keeping its popular commercial van competitive, while ensuring the highest levels of protection for its customers. When the H30 HiAce first launched in Australia and New Zealand back in 2019, it earned a 5-star safety rating under the standards of that time. 6 years later, Toyota has significantly enhanced the model with a wide range of advanced crash protection and avoidance technologies, allowing it to once again achieve a 5-star result, even against today's tougher criteria. Key updates include the addition of a center airbag, designed to reduce injury risk between occupants, as well as emergency lane keeping (ELK), intelligent adaptive cruise control, and advanced speed sign recognition. The HiAce also benefits from a much improved autonomous emergency braking system, now capable of responding to junction turns, crossing traffic, and head-on collision scenarios. Importantly, Toyota has extended protection to vulnerable road users, with the HiAce now able to detect not only pedestrians and cyclists, but also motorcyclists, a critical advancement in road safety. With these upgrades, the 2025 Toyota HiAce proves it is not just a hardworking commercial vehicle, but also a modern van that places safety at the core of its design, meeting the needs of today's demanding transport industry with confidence and assurance. What do you think? Share in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.